be dropping money. See how today goes. Wind. Yeah, this tractor, decent stack, slide off, scrape all the side of the bike down the road. I cut the wheel in, whiskey throttle, so beautiful through here. Maintain smooth roads. It's just lush. Black, yellow cockatoo. Pretty cool. Cruise along unless someone's up your ass on the left here now. Perfect. Spot on. Just beautiful. Gotta be careful of deer around here. Yeah, this is just the ultimate. Because they just dart straight out. I just missed my turn. Trying to change maps, I think. Such a dog. Honest to God. Don't shoot me. 6 wallabies now. Which way do we go here? Shit. We turned our left like we should. My wife's cousin just told me to go through Molesworth. Burning off around here. It's done and dusted. Smash a muesli bar. Don't be a dumb like me. So I was never actually connected. Rookie error. Wow, that is insane. Fairly large rocks the whole time. Ways to get comfortable. But if you can't hit that, sort of bang up that hill really. We'll watch for wallabies too. Nice view across the valley. Might be alright. King Lake. So it totaled 206 k's. Hopefully our audio went good. I'd like to do this at a hill climb on the way home. It's really steep. Falling yet. See if we can get up here without falling off. First gear it. Lean forward, get on it. Pitch a little bit. Look where you want to go. Not where you don't want to go. Beautiful. Alrighty, so we'll leave it there. Cheers everyone.